Hey guys, so right now in Dubai, it is raining and there's lightning. So let's see. It's not going there yet, but it is raining, I promise. It's like showing. Oh man, that was a big one. Man. Oh jeez.